There are currently millions of cryptocurrencies in existence. There are altcoins, stablecoins, meme coins, etc., etc. But one is not like the others. It is the original, the OG. So what makes Bitcoin so different? Simple. It's the only one that passes the RIPCORD test. It's revolutionary, immutable, public, collaborative, open, resistant to censorship, and decentralized. All the others fail one or more of these crucial elements. Let's dive into this acronym and why only Bitcoin passes muster. In the next few minutes, you'll see how each part of RIPCORD reveals why Bitcoin is unlike any money the world has ever seen. Revolutionary. The way Bitcoin's elements combine is quite unique. It creates something that never existed before: digital scarcity. Many have tried, but only Satoshi's combination of elements like proof of work, difficulty adjustment, halving cycles, SHA-256 hashing, decentralized consensus, etc. actually worked. It solves the real-world problem of how humanity can have a money without overlords. Every altcoin and stablecoin fail the revolutionary part of the test. In a world where Bitcoin already exists, they can only imitate. Bitcoin was a solution to a problem. These other coins are all a solution in search of a problem. In 2009, Bitcoin quietly emerged with a simple promise: peer-to-peer digital cash without needing a bank or middleman. Instead of trusting gatekeepers, you trust math and open code, unlocking peer-to-peer freedom for anyone with an internet connection. Immutable. On Bitcoin, once a transaction is confirmed in a block, it's effectively set in stone. It would be easier to remove a cornerstone from one of the pyramids than to invalidate a confirmed block buried deep in the time chain. You can't go back and quietly rewrite history. That makes fraud and chargebacks nearly impossible. Public. Bitcoin's ledger is open for anyone to inspect, from the very first block to the latest transaction. You can verify what happened, when it happened, and how much was moved, without ever exposing people's real-world identities. Collaborative. Bitcoin isn't run by a CEO. It evolves through open discussion, code review, and rough consensus. Developers propose Bitcoin improvement proposals, BIPs, and only changes that earn broad agreement are adopted by the network. Open. Bitcoin's code is open source, so anyone can inspect it, run it, or build on top of it, from wallets to the Lightning Network and beyond. That openness invites constant auditing, making it harder for bugs to hide and easier for the network to stay secure over time. Resistant to censorship. No single government or corporation can pull a plug and stop Bitcoin. It keeps working even in places facing capital controls, currency collapse, or conflict, giving people a lifeline for saving and sending value. Decentralized. Instead of one central server, Bitcoin is run by thousands of independent nodes and miners worldwide. If one node goes offline, the network doesn't stop. The rules of Bitcoin live everywhere, not in a single vulnerable building. Bitcoin isn't just another asset, it's a new foundation for money that's borderless, programmable, and rooted in digital scarcity. If you ever think that something might be the next Bitcoin, just apply the RIPCORD test and watch it fail. Digital scarcity can only be created once, and it already has. Isn't it time you learned more about Bitcoin?